In today's video, I will show you how to enable virtualization on your computer. We will do it in three ways. First in the BIOS, then using CMD, and finally through program and feature in Windows. Let's get started. Step 1 is inside the BIOS. Restart your computer and press the right key to enter BIOS setup. On most computer it's delete F2 or sometime F10. Once inside, go to advanced setting or CPU configuration. If you have an Intel processor, look for Intel virtualization technology. If you have an AMD processor, look for SVM mode. Enable that option, then press F10 to save and exit. Now your computer has virtualization enabled at the hardware level. Check virtualization and enable Hyper-V with CMD. Next, let's confirm and enable feature with CMD. Open CMD as administrator and type systeminfo. Scroll down until you see Hyper-V requirement. If it says virtualization enabled in firmware, yes, then it's working. Now if you want to enable Hyper-V, type this command. After running this, restart your computer. Hyper-V will be installed and ready for use. You can also enable it through Windows setting. Go to Control Panel, Programs, turn Windows speech on or off. From the list, check the box for Hyper-V. Click OK. Let's Windows install the component and restart your computer. This way Hyper-V gets enabled without using CMD. And that's it, we enable virtualization in BIOS, check and enable Hyper-V with CMD, and also turn it on using program and features. Now you are ready to run VirtualBox VMware, Android emulator or Hyper-V virtual machine smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.